Force yan.
Punta dito yung...
Ayan na, tumitingin yung Kingmaker ah. Mag-force yan. Biglayin ko na konti. Ayan na. Wop. Spread. Joke fight talaga.
Uy.
Ayan na. Okay lang. Oh, ready boys, ready. Tingin ako sa Kingmaker. Wait. Kingmaker boys ha. Dito, wait. Defensive. Ready ha. Kaya naman ha. 3, 2, 1. Face off. Okay, go south. Kite kayo ng ano, pass out.
Kailangan ko ng heal.
Sige lang. Just kite.
DPS ready. Titingnan ko yung backline.
9 seconds.
Okay, wait. Stack kayo. Mag-stack kayo. Tinitingnan kayo ni Kingmaker ha. Ayun na. Defensive. Okay, wait. Tayo naman ha. 3, 2, 1. Dito sa akin, boys. Nice one. Patay. I'll pop my... kailangan ba ng Judy? Hindi. Sige, roll them up. Scatter, boys. Scatter kayo. Wait.
Balik kay Otis. Balik kay Otis.
Judy. Nice. Eto, Kingmaker. Tingnan yung Kingmaker, boys. Ready, DPS?
Ready.
No. Nice one. Burn them. Etong Heron Spear. Para wala na silang CC. Heron Spear. DPS ready ah. Defensive kayo, boys. Defensive, boys. Defensive. Kailangan ba ng Judy?
GG, drop ng Judy.
Ready, boys. Tayo naman titingin.
Ready.
2, 1, sa akin sa backline. Nice one. Purgay niyo, boys. Purgay niyo healer. Nice one. Wait. Tignan niyo to. Tingnan niyo Kingmaker.
Kingmaker mamatay.
Dying Kingmaker.
Kingmaker is dying. Nice one. Wait, itong nasa taas. Wait. Spike namamatay.
Spike.
Ready engage.
Ready.
No. Dito. Full damage. Nice one. Nice one. Kill them. I'll Judy. Nice one. Kill them, boys. Kill them all. Abulin niyo nasa baba. Wala kayong patatakasin na Babe Kingdom. Ready. Patayin niyo nasa taas. Tumitingin ako sa healer. Ready, boys. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. Sa healer. No. Full damage dito.
Durugin natin to, Spice! Ewa!
Putang ina mo, Otis, ang naangas mo, hayop ka.
Ang bigat ko ah.
Pipigil. Kaya nyo dismount to. Dismount sila dito. Third party. Paywo. T7. BB.
Boys, mount up.
Mount up.
Actually, patayin niyo tong Babe Kingdom. Hello? Patay ito.
May tao.
May tao sa likod.
Pipigil.
PB lang pala eh.
PB lang yan. Sige lang. Play.
Wait, defensive, boys. Defensive.
Padrap Judy.
Go in the Judy. Boys,
Okay, recover muna.
Recover.
Recover muna. Yung magpa-front lang may defensives. Mag-front, defensives lang. Kung wala kayong defensives,
Spread.
Sige.
Ipit tayo dito. Pwede tayo mag-zone in kung gusto nyo. On combat. Sige.
Wag muna. Okay. Chill. Piwa.
Ayun na.
Nakazonin ako.
Okay. Walang hit. Pwede ka mag-look. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Kaya?
Nice one!
Nice one eh.
Sige lang. Ito pa. Fires up. Sige. Kaya pa. Nice one, boys! Putang ina, deletein nyo to, boy! Okay, yun na yun lahat.
Oh, cut and run.
Okay. Get ready for defensives, boys. Get ready for defensives, ha?
Wala ako dun, ha? Wait lang. Mamunting
Ready,
ako.
3, 2, 1. Dito. Healer. Patay yung healer.
Patay.
Nice one, boys. Sige lang. Keep fighting. Perma next. Tanggalin nyo to. Nice. Inq. Okay. Loot na. Pwede na yan. You are... Hi!
Sige.
Okay, very nice.
Yes, nice.
Boys, the vibe! Putang
Inong fight yun, par. Ang dami.
Yung back to back, gago.
yung purple core na iwan. Okay lang.
Sa atin yan, hindi sa inyo yan. Bitawan nyo yan. Puta.
Wala pinasok yung purple dito. Okay lang.
Nakita niyo gaano kaganda yung heavy mace na nilagay ko kaysa sa root ball.
Oh, that's sarap.
Boys, ang angas nyo.
Kasi once na